spinning. Holy shit. Just wait for the corner. Bye bye, Mr. Cuppy Cup. Ready? Here we go. It's spinning. Holy shit. 3 pounds? 3 pounds? Alright guys, so this is a 2020 Civic SI. We're installing the K-Tuner V2. So we're gonna hit the button twice. It's gonna say, would you like to lock this ECU to the car or the K-Tuner to this ECU? We're gonna hit yes. The unit will now restart. Boom. Press OK. We can go ahead and remove the OBD2 from there. And now we can go inside and start downloading the K-Tuner software and everything so that we can get set up. So we'll see you at the computer and then we'll come back to the car. By checking the box below, understand the process. Okay, of course. This means we're gonna do popping 2 steps and freaking over boosting and compressor surging.
Okay. I promise not to use it on public roads, streets, or highways.
You heard it from the man himself.
Only be racing in Mexico.
So now it's doing its deal. It's flashing. This is gonna take about 15 minutes or so. Yeah, once we're done flashing the tune, we'll go from there to the next clip. As far as right now, the tune is loaded and we're driving for about 15-20 minutes, just so that way everything can register, and if we have any check engine lights or codes, they can pop up at this time, but more than likely we're not. So I'll catch you on the next clip when we're actually experiencing the different boost levels. Here we go. This is gonna be a 2nd gear pull, about 3,000 RPM. Oh my god, spinning. Holy shit! Chirping 3rd. Shit!
It does not.
Bro!
Felt like that before.
Holy shit! I got goosebumps, bro. Oh, dude! Wow. Hey guys, straight up, I was geeking over the fact when I drove it stock, cause we didn't record that, but I got a chance to drive it stock. Holy crap, dude, like, I still have goosebumps, bro. That's insane, bro. Like, and I eased into it. Traction control, it killed power, guys. It killed power because I saw traction control blinking. As soon as it came back on, it fucking pulled. So, and that's level 1. We still got to try level 2, level 3. Not even sport mode was on, guys. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna freaking pass the car over to the owner. Well, let's just do a little sport mode 2nd gear real quick before I pass it. A little brake boost. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Give it some gas. Get it brake boosting. Ready? Here we go. It's spinning. Holy shit. Woo! All right. Get it back to the owner, Ray. Come on. Wow, guys. And that's just level 1. So now we're going to stop right here and see what the owner, Mr. Benjamin, thinks about the car. Holy crap, guys. It's a different car, hands down. And that's coming from a GT500 owner, guys. You know, come on. That's fucking dope. So e-brakes on. Woo. Look at that. That's dope. Fucking 2020 Civic SI. All right. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, wow, dude. That shit gave me an adrenaline rush, guys. Dude, that was night and day difference. Like, keep in mind, guys, this is a factory car, basically. We have intake exhaust and now the 2-step performance tune on there. So we ain't gonna be roasting no 700 horsepower Honda power action, but this thing is great. If you have this car as a daily driver and you're looking for a little more action, bro, it's definitely worth it, in my opinion. Right now, when we get some space, we'll give her a little pull. But dude, she fucking a big difference.
I never felt that.
Holy shit. Dude, that's crazy, man. All right, honest opinion, yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool. We got all the stuff going on right here. Disabled the rev hang. Was it throttle padding that was on there? Improved throttle response. So yeah, that's crazy, bro. Wow.
That was sport on.
Was sport on? Okay, so that's stage 1 with sport mode on. That was pretty crazy, dude. Was it pulling like that before ever, dog?
Nope.
Throttle response is different, shifting is different.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. So there you guys have it, man. Boostaholic Racing approved, hands down. Like, if you guys have a 2020 or 17 plus Civic SI, get the K tuner, and I recommend the two-step performance tune for there. Like, if you know, it's a very good starter tune, and it's dope. Benjamin and I approve, man. We approve.
If you buy it from Two Step Performance, they give you the TSP Stage 1 tune.
Yeah, included. Yeah, so that's badass, guys. But yeah, so I think we'll just get you guys one more pull right now whenever we turn, just a little baby one, and then we'll end the video with that. We got some other things we gotta do, but talk about a great morning, right, dude?
Love it.
You can hear the turbo too. Let's get some noises going on. We'll crack windows, sport mode action. Here we go. Oh, never mind.
Cars.
There's the police right there.
Let's turn around this corner.
I'll just wait for the corner. Bye bye, Mr. Cuppy Cop. Damn. Big difference, bro. I hope this video does it justice, guys. Like, take my word for it, man. So much fun. I don't know how many times I've said that this is awesome and that you should do it, but hopefully that tells you something. Guys, as always, it's been a pleasure. Boostaholic Racing here with another video. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep you up to date with all the cool stuff that we're doing, and then drop a like if you like this. If you have any questions and you're doing this, just drop me a comment and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. But yeah, guys, as always, stay safe and catch you on the next one. Peace out. One more time. Oh shit! Let's see how much boost we build with that. Let's see, go again real quick. 3 pounds, 3 pounds. Damn. All right, brother. Well, till next time, Benjamin. Badass car, doggy.